Hey guys, Jessica here. So today on Breast Pump Deep Dive, I want to talk about something that I found when I was testing a hack with the version 2 of the Baby Buddha. I took this pump and paired it with the new Medela hands-free cups. I expected to get very normal results. We've always used the Baby Buddha version 1 with the personal fit flanges from Medela, which got similar testing when we tested the new Medela Freestyle with their flanges and with the cups. I did not expect anything out of the ordinary, but let me pull this up and show you what we got, because people need to know that this hack does not do something we expected, and it could be potentially very dangerous for nipples. So this is stimulation level 1. This is the level that the pump turns on to. The short pull on the Baby Buddha version 2 was reading in at 100 mmHg with a long pull of 380 mmHg. That is stronger than even the Spectra Synergy Gold, which is one of the strongest pumps on the market on its highest settings. I could not believe what I saw. In fact, it was so shocking that I ran this test multiple times. I went and got 2 different pressure gauges to check and make sure that I wasn't having a gauge malfunction. So let's just look at what the pressure readings were for this. We were getting 380 consistently on the long pull in simulation. In expression, the lowest level I got was 200, which that's actually not terrible. The Baby Buddha is a stronger pump than average, so that wasn't too shocking. But as the pressure started to climb, as the suction increased on each level, I got the highest readings that I have ever seen on a pump. This pump got up to 408 on expression 8 and 411 mmHg on expression 9. I don't even know what 400 mmHg would do to a human nipple, because I've never seen anything test that high. It tested so high that the Medela gauge goes up to 450. It was so close to maxing it out, it wasn't even funny. 400 mmHg far exceeds what we know and think would be safe for the human nipple. So it is safe to say that this pump and these cups do not belong together. Version 2 of the Baby Buddha is actually a reasonably gentle pump. I'm really liking what I'm seeing with it, and I'm loving what I'm seeing with the Medela hands-free cups, but these two together, that's a no. We get unpredictable results with hacks, and sometimes you can get results that really surprised you, but I've never even seen a result this high. These aren't readily available yet, which means it's going to be a while before people are likely to be pairing it with this, but eventually that is going to happen, because one of the appeals of the Baby Buddha is that you can use it with almost any parts on the market, and the company doesn't void your warranty for hacking the pump. In fact, they provide lactation support to help you with the hacks that you're doing with your pump. This is not a hack that we're going to recommend, because this level on double pumping, 411 double pumping, is unheard of. I can only imagine the nipple trauma that would result. We really don't recommend going, I personally don't recommend going above 250. I find most people do better closer to, 150. Some people are up in the low 200s. 250 is where I start to worry, but most pumps, we're not seeing 250 on double pumping. 411 on double pumping in a pump this small, that's crazy powerful. That's not how this pump is intended to work, and this hack is a clear no. Do not mix the Medela Freestyle hands-free cups with the Baby Buddha. Not a good idea. Your nipples will not like how that goes.